Did you know you can remote start your vehicle from anywhere? Yeah, no more freezing mornings. I'll show you 4 ways to do it and help you pick the best one that's best for you. Option 1, the factory remote starter. This uses your vehicle's original key fob. It's simple, it's reliable, and it works from about 20 to 30 feet away. It's great for quick starts in the driveway or when your car is in sight. Next, we have the one-way remote starter, or whether you're in a mall, a cafe, or a condo. This one-way remote starter starts your vehicle from up to 3,000 feet away. It's great if your vehicle's parked far away, but in sight. If you want that warm confirmation that your vehicle has actually started, even when it's out of sight, the two-way remote starter is your best friend. With the same 3,000-foot range as the one-way remote, it's a great peace of mind. And finally, we got the two-way remote starter add-on. This lets you remote start and GPS track your vehicle from anywhere in the world, all through an app on your phone. It's the perfect add-on to any of the other remote starter options, and it gives you much more. It has unlimited operating range, confirms your vehicle has started, doesn't require any monthly subscription, locks and unlocks your vehicle, and best of all, you won't have to carry any extra remotes on your keychain. You're always connected to your vehicle 24/7 for a total peace of mind. There you have it, 4 ways to make your life easier with remote starters. Say goodbye to cold seats and engines and hello to comfort and convenience. Contact us at Durham Autohaus to get yours.